In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom objects in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through creating 2 sample custom objects so you can see the full flow from start to finish. Start by signing in to your GoHighLevel account. You can do this from either a sub-account or the agency view, depending on where you want these objects to live. Just make sure you have the right permissions for the workspace you're using. Once you're in, head to Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Objects. This is the home base for creating and managing custom data structures. Click into Objects, then choose Add Custom Object. Before we create anything, here's what a custom object is. Think of it like a flexible database table you designed to store information that doesn't fit neatly into the standard contacts, opportunities, or appointments. Custom objects let you model your real-world data and use it throughout your system. Let's build the first one. For the singular name, type Property. For the plural name, type Properties. Keep your naming consistent and clear. Singular for one record, plural for lists. Next, set the primary display field. This is the label GoHighLevel shows to identify each record at a glance, so choose something unique and easy to recognize. In this example, type property code. If you want, add a short description so teammates understand what this object represents and how to use it. When you're ready, click Create Custom Object. That saves the structure and returns you to the object screen. Now we'll create another one to complement it. Click Add Custom Object again. For the singular name, type Listing, and for the plural, type Listings. Set the primary display field to SRN number in this example. As before, you can add a brief description for clarity. Then click Create Custom Object to finalize it. A couple of quick tips as you build. Keep names human-readable and consistent with your existing naming standards. Pick a primary display field that's unique, short, and meaningful to your team. And avoid putting sensitive information into field names or descriptions. If you're unsure about terminology, you can always update labels later, but be careful with changes once data is in use. That's it. You've created 2 custom objects in GoHighLevel, Properties and Listings, each with a clear primary display field. With these in place, you're set up to start adding fields, capturing data, and integrating these objects into your workflows and reporting. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.